Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I'm going to show you a wonderful trailer. This is built by Coachmen and it's called a Freedom Express 320 BHDS. This is a trailer with all kinds of features and room and lots of qualities. I'm going to start you inside because we got a lot to cover. Usually the word BH means bunkhouse, and this trailer is definitely a bunkhouse, so we're going to start back here. You're not going to believe this bunk room. This thing in here is massive. And what they've done is they've made an area that can be set up like a dinette. So if you have kids and they need a place to eat their lunch or play games, this works fine. But this also folds down and makes a bed system. And you also have this shelf, which folds down and makes a bed. And you actually have a bed over here too. And they even put a little rock climbing wall on it so you can go up and down into the bed. Kids love that. Then you have some more hanging storage. You have some more storage over here. You have some more storage back here. And some more storage here. So if you've got 3 or 4 kids that you're living with, you're going to need some storage. And this has got it. Place up here for your TV set, your video game package, or whatever you're doing for your kids. This is a magnificent bedroom for a family. Now, look up here. So we've got a wonderful galley. This has the features of a bunkhouse. It also has the features of a center island double slide. This thing's just got tons of room. So come up here. I want to show you we've got a pantry cabinet. Most bunkhouse trailers don't have pantry cabinets because they don't have any room for them, but they've done a good job on this design. Also, you might notice that the wood colors are different. Sometimes we get a little tired of everything being real dark and black walnut and dark cherry, and these new colors really just are so welcome and refreshing. I really am happy with them. Solid surface countertops, big double stainless sink so you can wash and rinse. It has this really attractive organic faucet here. This thing that does one of those tricks right here. It's great. And you've got cabinets here, you've got drawers over here. This even has a silverware drawer, all stainless appliances. It's got the new stove with the glass front and the glass top. I mean, it's just a great looking kitchen. Then over here we've got a great big cabinet for coats and other things. You've got shelving down here for your shoes. You got a hat rack up there so you can put all your hats. You just do all kinds of stuff in there. Then over here we have a booth dinette that converts, but it's all storage underneath. See those drawers on both sides? They come out. You've got great access. You can also get to them from the top, but with those drawers in there, it makes them a lot easier to use. This table is removable, so I can take it outside and use it in my awning area if I want to do that. This couch here, this is a tri-fold sofa, and this folds out and makes a bed. So let's see, we have 4 kids in the back. We could put 2 here, 2 here, that's 8. You still have the master bedroom. You could sleep 10 people in here if you're all getting along. Has a wonderful entertainment center and electric fireplace. These things are great because you can heat your coach without having so much noise from a forced air furnace. Plus you save your propane. Now, the other thing that's really nice about this, the TV is right across from the couch. One of the chief complaints I get from trailers these days is people saying, I don't want to have to crane my neck to watch TV all day. I could sit here and watch TV. Bathroom's right here. And this is what we call a Jack and Jill bathroom. Go ahead. The reason we call it that is because it's got 2 doors, one for the guests to come in and one for mom and dad to come in, and both can have privacy. So that's really a nice design. Got a great big shower with a full enclosure. This is nice. And again, just like I mentioned earlier, lots of light, lots of openness. This lighter color really bounces a lot of light around in here. If we take a look at the bedroom, we now see that we have a front window. Now, most trailers don't have a front window and haven't for years. These guys have brought a front window back into the marketplace, and it just changes everything about this space. This used to feel like a little cave up here, and now it feels like an open space with light and storage. It's got a high capacity exhaust fan. Fantastic trailer inside. This Freedom Express is just one of the nicest trailers in the market today. Now, let's go look outside real quick. Okay, we come outside. One of the things we notice right away is we have this new solid step. This is starting to show up all over the industry, and it's nice because when you walk up, you're stepping on the step on the ground, not bouncing the trailer up and down. It's really pleasant. It's easy to use too, putting away. We have this great storage area right here. Massive amount of storage up here in the front. And you also have a picnic table. That's what this is. And just a moment, I want to mention that we have a 50 amp service cable, so we can have dual roof air conditioners and we don't have to worry about our power supply being sufficient for whatever we're doing here. It also has a connection for a portable solar panel. That's really important. In case you're dry camping and you want to reinforce your batteries. Now, one of the best things about this guy right here. This has a full fiberglass enclosure on the front. This is like putting the hull of a boat on the end of your trailer. What you'll find is that trailers typically, if they ever do leak, it's usually around an edge or a seam because that's where torque and flex gets. But this right here encloses all the front corners, edges, and seams. That's the weather end of the trailer. That's the part that beats into the wind. So this is a really important feature and I highly recommend it. It's also got, if you lift this up, you'll see we've got a control center for our stabilizer jacks and for our tongue jack. We can run everything from right here. It's so easy to use. Now let's come down here. A couple of things to notice about these slide outs is that these slide outs are rack and pinion slides. You don't see any cables in here. You don't see any kind of little tracks or metal pieces. All the hardware is below the chassis, under the floor. And that gives you bigger, roomier slide outs, and it's also the most reliable type of system, in my opinion. Back here, we've got an outside shower. We've got a sewer flush, and all of our drain connectors are all right here. And our shore cord connectors right here, right back in the back, which is where usually your hookups are in a campsite, so it's a lot easier to use. In this day and age, it's always nice to see a ladder because I want to be able to go up on top and maintain my seals and remove any debris. If some branches or things fall up on top, I can go up there and get them off. That's dynamite. And this is spectacular here. Take a look at this. This is a wonderful outside kitchen. Very, very nice. Got storage, got a larger fridge, hot and cold running water, shelving, electricity. This is a gas grill that we can use, and we have another drawer with storage for our silverware. Nice to have this out here too, because it isn't going to rain on me when I'm cooking. Okay, so this again is the Coachmen Freedom Express 320 BHDS. Great trailer, very, very well built. I have many more things to tell you about this trailer. So please feel free to give me a call or come in and ask for Matt Elliott. My name, Matt Elliott. My number is 541-954-8495. You have a great day.